Okay, friends. So what you're looking at right now is what you are going to see on the next slide. You are going to be taken to a website called Flipgrid. And on Flipgrid, you are going to be answering a question by recording a video of yourself. So it's going to be really cool. I'll get to see you in your video response, and I can't wait. So here's how you get to Flipgrid. When you click on the next slide, it will look exactly like this. You'll see where this should have a check mark here for Remember Me. Make sure that that does have a check mark. If it doesn't, you want to make sure that it does, okay? Then you're also going to click the blue button that says Join with Google. When you do that, it should bring up your school account. You want to make sure that it's your account that ends in at kcasdk12.org. That is your school email. Once you do that, it should say login is successful. This is Flipgrid. So this is what we are going to be recording our responses on. You'll see over here that this is the question, okay? What's one thing you learned from the Digital Citizens video? Think of something they did to be safe and responsible with their technology. What's one thing you learned from the video? Okay, I want you to think about that. And then you're going to record a response. You can do that by clicking either of these buttons, this one or this one, okay? Now, when you do that, for some of you, it might stop you, maybe because your Chromebook is like preventing you from doing that. If that happens to you, you might get a little box, little window that pops up that says that Flipgrid wants to use your camera and microphone. Go ahead and say allow. If it's still not letting you do it, you might have something going on in the address bar that kind of looks like this, where something is blocked. Now, here's where you can find that if it happens to you. Up at the top in the address bar, right? Over here on the side, you will see a little star and then like something like this or something like the camera, but it'll have an X on it. If you then click that with the X and then say allow pop-ups or allow camera, that it should work for you. Then you can always just say retry and then it should be good to go. Okay, so you are going to record your question on Flipgrid for me. All right. Okay, have fun.